Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang aking online shop sa Shopee at sa TikTok, Miss the Queen PH. Meron po tayong mga power bracelets na ako mismo yung gumawa. So meron tayong mga bracelets for attracting money and abundance, mga pampaswerte. And then meron din tayong bracelets for protection, anti-evil eye, anti-inggit, and also for balancing your chakra. Meron din tayong bracelets for intuition, wisdom, courage, communication, clarity, and love. So lahat po ng ating bracelets ay meron ng kasamang pouch, instruction leaflet, and extra string. Ayan, meron din tayong mga intention oils and spell jar for prosperity and protection. So lahat po ng items ay cleansed and intention set na siya specifically to the buyer. So available to sa Shopee at sa TikTok shop. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping! Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for October 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi, just take what resonates. Thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lang yung reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, let us see, Aquarius. What's up? Ano yung overall energy ninyo for October? Ace of Pentacles, new beginnings related sa yung finances. Merong prosperity, no? Merong bagong source of income for some of you. This can be a new career, a new business. Nagsisimula pa lang siya. But I feel like you are very excited to start this project, this business, this career. Yes, very excited ka. Let's see naman your challenge. Ano yung challenge ng mga Aquarius? What's the challenge? The Strength card. So, maaring may mga times na madali kayong panghinaan ng loob. Oo. Lalo na kung kayo ay nakikinig sa sinasabi ng iba na nakaka-apekto sa inyong self-esteem, yung tiwala nyo sa sarili ninyo. Especially na nagsisimula ka pa lang. So, halimbawa, may bagong business ka and some people will tell you na, oh, mahirap yung business mo, hindi yan magbo-bloom. So, syempre, kapag ganun, pag nagpa-apekto ka dun, yung performance mo, maapektuhan din. So, hayaan mo sila. Mag-focus ka sa iyong sariling lakas at mas lalo mong palakasin yung loob mo. Kasi nga, 'di ba, sa buhay lakasan lang talaga ng loob. And of course, to gain control sa iyong sarili, sa iyong emotions, sa iyong actions. Pag mo hayaan maimpluwensyahan ka ng ibang tao, especially sa sa negative influences, okay? So, let's see your opportunity. What is the opportunity? You have the Nine of Pentacles. See, you have the opportunity to become independent, financially independent. So, this is someone na kaya niyang suportahan ang kanyang sarili. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng bubukod na kayo, no? Kung kayo ay nakatira sa family ninyo or you are relying or nakaasa sa isang family member when it comes to your finances. So, ngayon, kaya may nagsisimula. Iba sa inyo, nakahanap na ng trabaho, you're very excited. So, you have the opportunity to gain control of your finances ngayong October. And may accomplishment ka dyan sa yung finances. Magkakaroon ka ng financial stability. So, anong blessing ng mga Aquarius? The blessing is Four of Swords. This is healing. This is also rest. Maaring iba sa inyo napagod ng mga nakaraan. You will be able to have your own time for yourself. May katahimikan ng isip. Kung kayo ay nagkaroon ng karamdaman in the past, no? Ngayong October, you are going to be more healthier, no? So you're going to recover from that illness. Okay? So let's see your money energy. Ano ang energy ng kaperahan nyo? Five of Swords. So, ayun na nga, sinasabi ko sa inyo, maraming kompetensya, maraming posibleng sumasabotahe sa inyong mga plano sa buhay. So, wag nyong hayaan na kayo ay maapektuhan nito. Okay lang yung competition as long as it's a healthy competition. And of course, yung competition na yan, number one is you have to compete with yourself, yung old self mo, to be better than your old self. Kesa yung you keep on competing with other people na dumarating na dun sa point na nawawala ka na sa goal mo because nagfo-focus ka sa mga ginagawa ng iba. So when it comes to your money, finances, yung competition will always be there, but mas maganda na nakafocus ka sa sarili mong goals, okay? And also, be careful rin sa mga pagkakatiwalaan mo, yung mga pagsasabihan mo ng plano mo pagdating sa pera mo. Kasi yung iba, yun nga nai-evil eye, diba? Lalo na pag nakikita nila na parang you're doing better than them. So, keep quiet na lang daw muna kasi yung pananahimik nyo is a blessing. Okay? Yung pananahimik nyo sa mga plano nyo, that is a blessing. Kasi that's also form of protection for you. Okay? So, mag-ingat rin sa mga pahihiramin ng pera ngayong October. Kasi maaring magkaroon ng conflict or away. So, your career. Ten of Wands. Maraming kailangang asikasuhin. Maraming trabaho, Aquarius. Lalo na doon sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa kanilang trabaho. Syempre, you're still trying to familiarize yourself with the job or even sa business. So, you have a lot of responsibilities. But, I know you can handle it. Okay? Sa love naman, Knight of Pentacles. I feel like you are connecting with someone na very practical pagdating sa relationship. Or it's also your energy na for you, wala kang balak na makipaglaro sa relationship. For you, kung ang isang tao ay walang pakinabang sa'yo, you will not entertain that person. Practical lang, 'di ba? Oo. Kung burden tong tao na to sa'yo, you will cut off this connection. Mawalan ka ng interest dyan. You want someone who is going to be your partner, who will support you, who will be there for you. You want a long-term commitment. So, you also have self-reliance. So, ayan. Self-reliance is independence, diba? So, meron ka ring sense of accomplishment kasi alam mo sa sarili mo na you are on your own. You can take care of yourself. Yes, you are breaking free. So, this is mutable energy, Gemini, Virgo, Sagittarius, and Pisces. So, I feel like you are more parang adaptable sa sitwasyon. Sa magiging sitwasyon mo ngayong October. Maaring magiging madali rin sa'yo na makapag-decide dahil magiging realistic ka and logical in making decisions. It's time for healing, not war. Ayun na nga. This is your blessing talaga, yung healing. Okay? Maaring meron ka nang ili-let go ng mga gulo or drama sa buhay mo because you want peace of mind. Potion, remember to practice self-love. Yes. This is also manifesting your goals and dreams. Maaring may mga rituals ka. If you are into witchcraft, you are doing some rituals and spells for yourself to focus on loving yourself, self-love, self-care. Yes. You are becoming a better version of yourself. Okay. So I think that's also part of your healing process. So, let's see what else pa, Aquarius. Good advice from a wise person. Meron ka marireceive na magandang advice. Galing sa akin. From a wise person. Or someone na pinagkakatiwalaan mo talaga pagdating sa mga advice, lalo na pag meron kang malalaking desisyon na gagawin sa buhay mo. And you're a star. Diba? There's guaranteed success, Aquarius. Just always remember to focus on your goals and dreams. Huwag ka maniwala dun sa mga naysayers na yan, yung mga nagda-doubt sa kakayanan mo because of course, Gusto lang naman nila na hindi mo sila maangatan. Natatakot silang maangatan mo sila. So, focus on your goals and dreams because there is guaranteed success for you ngayong October. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Aquarius. See you again.